Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn about how to design flyer using Canva. So first of all, we have to search canva.com. So here I am going to search. Now click here. Now you have to create your account if you are using Canva for the first time. As I have account, so I am going to log in. It's open now. So you can see here previously I have designed some flyers and all. These designs are here. Now you have to go to the create design. So there you will find so many options are there. So choose flyer or you can choose poster also. So here I'm going to choose flyer. So click on the flyer option. Now your page is open. You are ready to design your flyer. You will find some designs are there already. You can choose from there and you also can search above in the search option. So here I'm going to show you how to upload the photos and few things actually you have to keep in your mind that when you design a flyer that it should be attractive and informative, and for that you have to mention the key points in a bullet form and in a clear manner. Now go to the upload option and from device, from Insta, you can upload your photo. Now I'm going to upload the photo. It's uploading here. You can see. Now you have to click on that photo. Now I'm going to adjust the photo. I'm just going to crop the photo a little bit. Here you can see how to crop the photo. Now I will make it little bit bigger. Now I'm going to delete the previous photo which is already there. You can see the photo is in a square shape, but I want to put it on the round circle. Okay, so here you can see there in the elements option few design is already there, round, circle, oval. Okay, so that green's round shape I'm going to choose. Oval shape I have already chosen, but I'm going to remove this one. And now I'm going to drag the speaker's photo on that round circle. You can see I'm going to drag. Okay, see, now it's came into the circle. As previously I have mentioned that logo of the organization is important, so here I'm going to choose the logo. Suppose I'm making this flyer for Anajory, and that's why here I have chosen Anajory's logo. So here also I'm going to crop the logo a little bit. and I will put it in the above. There is no hard and fast rule for making flyers. You can use your creativity as much as possible to give the soul to your flyers. But the main things you have to keep in your mind, that is, you have to have put the logo of the organization, means which organization is going to conduct the webinar, and the theme and title of the webinar, then speaker, his or her photo, and we, along with the bio of the speaker, and bio or information of the speaker should be in a bullet form, and time, date, registration link, and platforms. These are the few things you have to mention in your flyers. So here I have already uploaded the photo of the speaker, and now here I'm going to write the bio of the speaker in a bullet form. Bullet form in the sense that you don't need to write the bio of the speaker in a paragraph form. Okay, and it should be user friendly and attractive as well. That's why you have to keep these things in your mind. Now you can see I have written Thursday webinar with Kashmira on gender and sexuality. So now I'm going to drag this on the top of the flyer. Now I will design this write up, means I will change the color and font size and all. If you know MS Word, then it will be very much easy for you. So here you can see I have chosen that color and selected that color, and now I'm going to change the color because this writings is not much visible on that color. And now here you can see I have means changed the color, and I will also change the color of the font. Now I have chosen black and white. Now it's visible. Now here I am going to write the bio of the speaker. For that, you can see in the left bar of this page there is T, and you have to click on the T and this box will come up, and from there you can choose add a heading and all, and here I have chosen subheading, and after that I have written the bio of the speaker. Now I am going to add the bullet points. Now little bit adjustment is required. As you can see, the bio note of the speaker is not much visible. For that I'm going to change the background color, and you have to go to the elements option which is there in the left side, and after that you have to choose the shape. So I have chosen the square shape, and now I'm going to change the color. For changing the color you have to select this box, and then this there you can change the color. So here I have chosen pink. Then you can see two options are there. One is pink and violet. So one is for the full box, the color of the full box will be changed, and one is for the margin of that box. Here again I just want to put the line below the flyer. So here I have chosen again, you have to go to the elements option, and there you can see the lines. Okay, so from there I have chosen, and now I'm going to adjust it little bit. Now here I'm going to write our platforms. For that again you have to go to the T option, and then I have chosen add a subheading. Okay, so here you can see how I'm doing this. Again, here I'm going to put the logo of Facebook Live and Zoom, because this webinar will be Facebook Live and on the Zoom platform. So you can see here I'm going to crop the logo, and again I will put there. As you can see, the logo is already there, but if you are using Canva for the first time, you will not find this logo. So for that you have to upload this logo in your Canva page. So here I have already uploaded, so it's there, and now I'm going to adjust these logos little bit, and I will put there where I have written our platforms. You need to have some patience to adjust this thing. Our flyer is almost ready now. We just need to put two more things. Again I'm going to write time and date. So here I have chosen the add a subheading, and here I'm going to write time and date of this webinar. Here again I'm going to change the background color. For that you have to go to again the elements option and change the shape. So here I have chosen again the square shape, and I have cropped the square shape. So and then I have changed the color. Now I'm going to add the registration link in this flyer. So I have already selected the registration link. So here I'm going to write to register, click here, and after that I will put the registration link. So if you want to know how to make the registration link or how to make the Google form, you can watch my previous videos. There I have mentioned how to make registration link. Now I'm going to add the registration link. So I have selected click here, click here, and now I'm going to, you can see the link option, and I'll paste the link of the registration link and then apply. So now it's part now our part is to download this flyer. So above you can see this one, so click there. So many options are there to download this flyer: PDF, PNG, MP4, GIF. So here I'm going to choose PDF print, and after that I will download this flyer. So I have selected PDF print and download. So preparing your design, you can see here also. And now close this one and show in folder. So I'm going to open this flyer. So finally our flyer is ready. So here I'm going to click here option. After clicking the click here option, you can see the registration link will open, and here you can see you have already responded because I have already registered in this form. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video useful and applicable. Thank you.